In the world of Bannerlord, companions are not just allies. They're essential to your success in the game. Let's dive into their importance and role. Companions come with unique skills that can complement your hero's attributes. Understanding these skills helps in effective leveling. Choose companions wisely. Consider their skills, backgrounds, and potential roles to maximize their effectiveness. Training grounds are crucial for leveling up your companions. Make sure to utilize them effectively for skill enhancement. Engaging in battles not only increases your companion's combat skills, but also provides them with valuable experience. Assign your companions to quests and duties. This not only advances their skills, but also grants experience. Skill books are a great way to educate your companions quickly for rapid skill advancement. Use them wisely. Adopt strategies to maximize experience gain. Mixing combat, training, and tasks are vital for efficient leveling. Don't overlook morale. Happy companions are more productive and perform better in battles and tasks. To recap, choose wisely, train effectively, and keep your companions happy. Leveling them up can significantly boost your gameplay.